Right, hello everyone, and welcome back to a daily update on my 1000 days challenge. This is day 115, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, you notice the balance is a little bit dropped from yesterday, and that's actually due to the experimental trade setup I mentioned yesterday. I do expect some sort of losses, and true enough, I did. I take a couple of losses, and more of them I went for trailing stop loss instead, which was a bad move. So yeah, moving forward for experimental trade setup, I guess I'll stick to a very swing target kind of approach. So I just stick to a fixed target, and then I'll just take the profit and go. And on the main trading account, I actually had a little bit of sadly, it actually hit the trailing stop loss for Ethereum actually. And in fact, after hitting a trailing stop loss, it actually went all the way up. So there's something to bear in mind that even if you have a trailing stop loss, it can hit you and then after that continue the way up. However, if you have too wide a trailing stop loss, again, you will have a tendency to give back more profits when it does have retracement as well. So it's always a give and take, and there's no perfect trading stop loss in that perspective. Otherwise, I'm still in terms of long trade. As I mentioned over here, I'm still in terms of the long setup. For Bitcoin, I'm still in it. You can look in terms of the weekly chart, just a very quick weekly update. Yeah, you can ignore that. Yeah, so over on the Bitcoin itself, over here you see there's a very strong bullish candle for last week, similarly what you get over here. So tentatively right now, we have to depend on how this week, how does the price action goes. So I would say that overall it looks really bullish, and this is the final key resistance that Bitcoin will face in the short term wise. So if it does break above here, I do look that it will be potentially a very strong push upwards. So potentially if it does break above the previous, which is high, which is a 19K mark, actually I will also look to add in terms of long-term investment. Otherwise, my intention is actually to add somewhere along here. I see a potential we could have some sort of retracement or consolidation between the 16K to 19K range. In which case, of course, if it's near the 16K range, that will be to my favor. I'll definitely add if I find support over there. But otherwise, yeah, I'll continue to trail in terms of the stop loss for this setup. And yeah, that's basically about it. Even if you look in terms of daily wise, there is some sort of exhaustion, especially for 2 consecutive days. We see an indecision followed by exhaustion candlestick. And today we could also have a potential indecision kind of candlestick. So with price very near towards the 20 exponential moving average on the daily, I don't think it's overstretched right now. Of course, I would prefer that it consolidate a little bit more and then probably have a potential strong sell off and find support, and then I'll definitely look to add in terms of long setup. Yeah, but in terms of the 4-hour chart, I do see signs of consolidations as well. So you look in terms of the line chart, you can see this is like basically a lower high, but you get a higher low instead. Yep. So yep, there is no issue. And if price finds support over here and bounce up above using the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart, then that will be great. And I'll definitely add along to that. Otherwise, that's basically about it. Today is Monday. I'm not touching any of this as there isn't, the market probably just open now. Yep, so apologies for the late update. I'm a little busy in terms of the work wise, but otherwise, that's about it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.